Oh, Spider-Man. Oh,
Super Ella.
To the rescue.
Hey guys,
Do you know what that is on top?
That you
What's
just
this red
threw
thing?
aside?
What?
A
it up.
superhero cape. Your very own.
A superhero cape? Where's mine?
snap, snap.
Oh,
Here, Ella.
I'm videoing.
Did you see it?
Ethan, look over there.
What does it say? Do you see?
right here.
Yeah.
Super
Superhero.
Ella,
Super Ella.
defender of the universe. And what does Ethan say?
Ethan Man.
Ethan Man.
I want to open this thing right here. Me too.
What do you guys want to tell Aunt Maria
Thank
and Uncle Dan and Catherine and Thomas?
And I could color it too. Me too. No.
Okay, give it a quick run around. Give it a run around. Let's see how it
Let's
fits. Hop up, Ella.
Ella, let's see how it fits.
There she goes.
Here, Ethan, I'll put yours on.
No, I'm gonna be Superman.
Awesome.
Okay, we'll open it. Let's see. Mmm,
It lights up.
you'll be sparkly.
Glow in the dark in that.
Where's me? Mom, where is
Magic.
Directions.
me? Okay. Oh gosh, I can't even. Oh, I can't even read this. You read it, Mom.
What all is in there?
My present.
I think it is yours,
Yeah,
Ethan.
sure. Want me to open it with you?
That's from Grandma and Grandpa too.
Well, Ethan wants to help me. Oh gosh, I can already tell what it is. It's your own scooter. Your own scooter. Oh my gosh. It's Ethan's own. Ah.
Your very own, Ethan. Pull it off. All right, pull it up.
Good now. Open the box.
Open it up.
Oh, he gets a cape.
Ryan gets a
Cape too. Oh, and his own baby superhero book.
Ryan's own cape. Aw, he's super cute.
Super cute.
Oh, super cute.
Ryan, this is your cape.
Ryan, look at you.
Super cute to the rescue.
With my magic spoon.
Around.
Ryan is pretty impressed.
Careful,
Oh,
Ella.
Ella, oh, stop, stop. No, 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 no. Don't leave it, Ella. Put it back.
What do you think of that, Ryan?
Oh, we need to put
Whoa.
No, it doesn't even need a battery. But it's a cool race one for triathlons.
Triathlons?
I bet this is fast.
You gonna do the triathlon next summer?
Yeah.
You do the triathlon next summer?
No. No, just with my bike. So only cool.
That is